So today we are going to learn the new lesson of EVS. Lesson number 4.4, Sun, Moon and Sky. So students, I hope so that you all are familiar with the things which you can see in the sky. Now here in this picture, what you can see? We can see that there are white colors of clouds, the bright yellow and orange sun, the silver color moon, the colorful rainbow, and the beautiful golden stars all over the sky. So what we can see in the sky? In the sky we can see the clouds, the sun, the birds, the moon, and the stars. We can see them in the night. Sometimes we can see that the sky is of white color, but sometimes the sky, the clouds also look grey or black color. What we can see during the daytime? During the daytime, what we can see? So during the daytime, what we can see? During the daytime, we can see the sun, the clouds and the birds in the sky. And sometimes we can also see the beautiful, colorful rainbow. And what do we see during the night time? During the night time, we can see the moon and the stars in the sky. During the night time, we can see the moon and the stars in the sky. And during the daytime, we see the sun, the white color clouds, and some birds. And also sometimes we can see a rainbow in the sky. So now, at the screen, what you can see? We can see that there is a beautiful bright sun. Now, the sun, it gives us heat and light. Now that day, what I have taught you? I have taught you that the sun is a star. The sun is also a star. And the sun is very, very hot. We can see the sun during the morning time. When we can see the sun? We can see the sun during the morning time. The sun comes up in the sky from the east side. Where do the sun comes from? The sun comes from the east side. So, we can see the sun only during the morning time. And I have taught you that हम हमारे घर पे रहते, we stay at our home. So the sun is also staying at his home. But when in the morning, he have to go to the sky. So he come out from the east side. जब भी उसको sky में आना होता है सुबह, तो वो कौन से side से आता है? He come from the east side. And in the evening, शाम को, in the evening when he wants to go back home, he go to the east side. जब भी उसको सुबह मॉर्निंग में स्काई में आना होता है तो वो ईस्ट साइड से आता है, और जब उसको घर जाना होता है तभी वो कौन से साइड से आता है? वेस्ट साइड. इट गोज़ टू द वेस्ट साइड. जब इसको घर जाना होता है तभी वो वेस्ट साइड से जाता है. एंड व्हेन इट इज़ गोइंग होम, ही गिव्स अस नाइट. When the sun is going home, he gives us night. सन जब भी घर चला जाता है तो उसकी लाइट भी चली जाती है. तो लाइट जाने के बाद फिर क्या आता है? नाइट. When the sun goes home, we get the night. The sun gives us heat and light. What did the sun gives us? The sun gives us heat and light. गर्मी देता है सन हमें. जब हमें बहुत कोल्ड लगता है, ठंड लगती है, तो सन हमें क्या देता है? हीट देता है. उसके वजह से हमें थोड़ा गर्मी लगती है, थोड़ा गर्म लगता है. एंड लाइट, पूरे सब जगह अभी आपको स्काई में लाइट दिखाई दे रहा है, सब जगह लाइट दिखाई दे रही है. तो सन हमें क्या देता है? लाइट भी देता है. जब सन घर चला जाते तभी नाइट हो जाती है, तभी रात हो जाती है, तभी हमको लाइट्स ऑन करने पड़ते। लेकिन जब सन हमारे पास होता है मॉर्निंग टाइम में, तभी हमको लाइट्स की ज़रूरत पड़ती है क्या? नहीं, तभी हमको लाइट्स नहीं चाहिए होती है, क्योंकि हमारे पास सन है। द सन गिव्स अस हीट एंड लाइट। नाउ द सन गिव्स इट्स लाइट टू द प्लांट एंड एनिमल्स ऑल्सो। द सनलाइट they gets the light also from the sun. What do the sun gives to the plant and animals? It gives is sunlight. वो sunlight plants और animals को भी मिलती है। प्लांट्स अपना खाना कैसे बनाते हैं, उस दिन मैंने आपको बताया था। हाउ डू द प्लांट्स मेक देयर फूड? द प्लांट्स मेक देयर फूड विद द हेल्प ऑफ सनलाइट। एंड एनिमल्स, दे आर नॉट हैविंग होम। So what I have taught you that day, I told you that the plants, they make their food with the help of sunlight, and the animals, they are not having house. So how animals also get this sunlight and they feel warm. So sun gives us light to all the humans, and also it gives his light to plants and animals. So sun is very important for all of us. Now what is this? This is a moon. Now how is the moon? The moon is round. The moon is round, and the moon is also smaller than the planet Earth. The moon is also smaller than the planet Earth, and the moon, it moves around the earth. moon किसके अराउंड घूमता है? moon किसके पास घूमता है? earth के पास. the moon moves around the earth. We can see the moon during the night time when the sun goes home and it gives us night. So during the night time we can see the moon. But sometimes we can also see the moon during the day also. छोटा सा ऐसे आपको लाइन जैसे दिखाई देगा कभी कभी मॉर्निंग टाइम में. So that is the moon. So usually we see the moon during the night time, but sometimes we can see the moon also during the daytime. So now the moon is having very bright light. So where do this light comes from? The moon get its light from the sun. The moon gets the light from the sun. So during the night time, near the sun, near the moon, we can also see that there are stars. So when do the stars appear? The stars appear in the sky during the night time. So now you can see this picture. There are many different shapes of the moon. First, the moon is round. The moon is of black color. मतलब स्काई में मून हमें फर्स्ट दिन नहीं दिखाई देगा. The next day we can see a very small line of the moon. That time the moon is in quarter shape. moon कौन से shape में होता है? quarter shape. After some days we can see the half moon. moon कैसे दिखाई देता है हमें? half shape में. we can see only the half part of the moon. After some days we can see 3/4 moon. मतलब मून का थोड़ा सा शेप नहीं होता है. बाकी हमें फुल मून कब दिखाई देगा? जब वो छोटा सा पार्ट है ना ब्लैक कलर का, जब वो पूरा वाइट हो जाएगा तभी हमें फुल मून दिखाई देता है. So first, how is the moon? There is no moon. Then it is a quarter moon. Then we can see the half moon. Then 3/4 moon. And on the last day we can see a full moon. So the moon changes its shapes every day. The moon changes its shapes every day. These different shapes are called as phases of moon. These different shapes of moon are called as phases of moon. We can also see the stars during the night time. We can also see the stars during the night time. Small, small twinkling stars are there near the moon. So the sky is full of stars during the night time, and we can also see a moon. The moon gets its light from the sun. See, these are the different phases of moon. Here you can see in the picture here how the moon is changing its shapes every day. थोड़ा सा हमें थोड़ा पार्ट दिख रहा है, फिर हाफ पार्ट दिख रहा है, फिर हाफ से ज़्यादा, फिर मून थोड़ा सा राउंड हुआ है. ऐसे मून अपना शेप्स रोज चेंज करता है. द मून चेंजेस इट्स शेप्स एवरी डे एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द फेसेस ऑफ मून. Now we will see about stars. Now we can see here that the sky is full of twinkling stars. The sky is full of twinkling stars. But we can only see the stars during the night time. When we can see the stars? We can see the stars only during the night time. But where they go during the daytime? दे आर देयर इन द क्लाउड्स. स्टार डे टाइम भी क्लाउड्स में ही होते हैं, स्काई में भी होता है ऊपर. लेकिन सन इतना ब्राइटली शाइन करता है, उस वजह से हमें स्टार्स नहीं दिखाई देते हैं. ड्यूरिंग द डे टाइम द सन शाइन्स so brightly that we cannot see the stars. But during the night time it is dark, everything is dark. That's why we can see the stars only during the night time. And the stars, they twinkle and shine very brightly during the night time, and during the daytime we cannot see them because of the bright shiny sun. Now we will move next to see that what is there. Next we are going to learn. Now we are going to see about the rainbow and the white color clouds. Now during the daytime we can see that the clouds are of white color, and during the night time the same clouds we can see in black and grey color. So how are the clouds? The clouds are very soft and they are of white color. And the clouds, they are having many different shapes. When there is wind means air. When the wind is blowing, the clouds also start moving. What is there in the clouds? The cloud is made up of water vapor and dust. When rainfall, where do the rainfall come from? The rainfall comes from the clouds. तो ये clouds कैसे बने होते हैं? Clouds water vapor, water के जो छोटे छोटे drops होते हैं, और dust, धूल, ये जो सब होती है ना, हमारे घर में धूल आती है टीवी पर, फैन पर, so it is called as dust. So the cloud is made up of small water drops and dust. Now we are going to see about rainbow. Sometimes after the rainfall, when the rain is falling and after some time the rain stops, so the sun comes out. So at this time we can see a rainbow in the sky. जब भी रेन हो रहा है, बारिश हो रही है, और जब बारिश रुक जाती है तब सन बाहर आता है. इस टाइम हमें क्या देखने मिलता है? At this time we can see a rainbow in the sky. Now how many colors the rainbow is having? The rainbow is having 7 colors. What are the different colors of rainbow? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So the rainbow is of curve shape. The rainbow is of curve shape. It is very colorful and beautiful. The rainbow is very colorful and beautiful. The rainbow is having 7 colors. See here the different colors of rainbow. Rainbow is having 7 colors. Which are these colors? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. So the rainbow is having 7 colors. and the rainbow is in a curve shape. So it is very beautiful and colorful. Now we are going to learn about a place. That place is called as planetarium. Now let us see what is the planetarium. How does the planetarium looks like? So students, now here in the picture you can see that there is one house, and that house, it is having a dome shape of roof. ये रूफ कैसा है, ऊपर का पार्ट कैसा है हाउस का, कर्व शेप है. कैसा शेप है, कर्व शेप है. सो इन दिस कर्व शेप देर इज़ वन टीवी, देर इज़ वन डिवाइस. लेकिन ये टीवी हमको कैसे, टीवी के अंदर हमको सब कुछ दिखाई देता है, लेकिन ये हाउस के अंदर वो जो रूफ है ना ऐसे कर्व टाइप का, उस रूफ के ऊपर हमें सब दिखाई देता है. दिस हाउस इट इज़ हैविंग अ स्पेशल डिवाइस. इसके पास एक कोई तो डिवाइस होता है, इस हाउस के अंदर एक डिवाइस होता है. एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस डिवाइस, so in this house we can see the planets, the moon, the sky, the stars and different planets on the roof of the house. अभी हमारे घर के ऊपर वो छत होता है ना पतरा, लेकिन ये कैसे होता है, ये हाउस ऐसे राउंड शेप में होता है, कर्व शेप में होता है, और हमें सारे प्लैनेट, सारा सोलर सिस्टम कैसे दिखाई देता है, ऊपर दिखाई देता है. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस डिवाइस we can see the planets on the roof of this house. It is called as planetarium. जहाँ पे हमें कर्व शेप ऐसे ऊपर दिखाई देता है ना, वो रूम को कौन सा रूम बोलते हैं, that room is called as a planetarium. In this planetarium we can see all the planets, the moon, sun and the stars on the सीलिंग. सीलिंग मतलब जो हमारे घर के ऊपर होता है ना छत, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज सीलिंग. सो इट इज अ प्लैनेटेरियम.
Children,
So today
stars,
we have learned
shining
about
moon,
the different things which
and
we
the
can
bright
see in the
hot sun.
sky. The clouds,
Yes,
the
of
sun,
course.
the moon,
We all are so
the
fond
stars
of the
and
sun,
the rainbow.
moon,
So I hope so
stars,
that you
the
all have
whole sky.
understood that what we can
What
see
is sky?
in the sky during the daytime
is
and what
everything
else things
that
we can see
lies
during the
above the
night time.
surface
So
of the
you
earth.
have to solve the worksheet which I will send it
Let
to
us
you
see
on the WhatsApp
what
group.
the sky has.
Your lesson is over now.
Sun.
The moon, the sun,
The sun
and the
gives us
sky is
heat
lesson.
and light.
We have completed
We
it
can see
now.
the sun
Thank
during
you.
the